I decided to recycle my old lollipop that I'd made in purple before, and now I needed to get it back to white, so I started painting with white chalk paint. And after I did the top, bottom, and sides, then I want to go ahead and paint it in pink, and I used this princess pink, and I got that from Walmart. After painting top, bottom, and sides, I went ahead and wanted to glitter it. I got this glitter at Michael's. I liked it because it had the fine and the chunky glitter in it. So now I just used some Mod Podge because I wanted to seal down that glitter, and I'm also going to go ahead and add a little bit of chunky glitter to that in just a second. And there's that chunky glitter. I just kind of sprinkled it on there. And as always, I like to admire the sparkle, especially if it's pink sparkle. So this is just some DAP lightweight spackling. You want to get the lightweight. I love it. It looks just like frosting. After that, you want to add in a little paint. I'm still using the Princess Pink. And then go ahead and mix that all up really well. This should be the consistency. Now I'm using a Wilton 1M. It's a large open star tip. So now we're ready to pipe. So before I do that though, the spackle doesn't always want to stick when you have glitter down. So I'm doing like a line of it around the rim, and I'm gonna let that dry before I try to apply my fake frosting. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and do little stars all the way around. Now I'm just going to apply some Mod Podge all over the front of the lollipop, and then I'm going to add the fake, they're polymer clay sprinkles that I got on Etsy. So I had this beautiful pink sparkly tulle ribbon, and I'm just going to make a bow. You just make 2 loops, and then you can either use a zip tie or you can use a pipe cleaner and secure the center with that, and then you can kind of play with the sizes of your loops and tails. I have children, those are not actual ghosts. Now I was considering using the rainbow bow that I have, and I went back and forth on it, but in the end I decided not to use it. So I just took a piece of the tulle and I carefully hot glued it on so that I could finish the bow. So that means I'm all done, and I'll show you how I would display this. So here it is with some of my other pink Christmas decor, and you could even put it in a tree, although my tree's not quite big enough for it, but you get the idea. And here it is up close. It looks good enough to eat. I hope you enjoyed watching and that you subscribed. Thank you.